So this question gives us a tree and it just gives us an input of the root of the tree. So we need to just find out the maximum depth of the tree. So for this, the maximum depth would be, this would be at the 3 would be at level 1, the 20 would be at level 2, and 7 would be at level 3. So we need to return 3 as 7 is the deepest level or deepest depth, max depth in this tree. So for that, we can implement this using three ways. First one could be recursive DFS, second one would be using a BFS using a queue, and the third way would be using an iterative DFS using stacks. So now all the three approaches takes the same complexity of big O of n. However, the simplest one would be recursive DFS. So for this example, if we need to return maximum depth, let's start from 3. So for 3 it calls both left and right, so it calls 9 and 20, and 9 calls two nulls. We should return 0, right? Because if there is nothing, the height of that or the depth of that would be considered as 0. So if root is none, return 0. So if the root is none, we will be returning 0. However, like if it is having both nodes, then it need to return the maximum depth of that left or right. So the maximum depth for right would be 2, for left it would be 1. So we need to find out the maximum, so we will be taking maximum of depth of 9 comma 20, which is 2. So you will be getting 2 from here, and we will also add 1 here because this is also the another level, right? So 1 plus the max of 9 comma 12. So it would be like normally we can just write 1 plus max depth of root dot left comma max depth of root dot right. So this could return the maximum depth. Okay, sorry, I need to call it using self because we are using classes here. Yeah, so it's accepted. Yeah, it's done. So in this way we can just solve using recursive DFS.